Okay, I don't know if you can hear me or not. We're gonna walk one block in downtown San Jose, and we're gonna count how many scooters are available in one block for use. These are the Bird scooters and the Lime S scooters. So here we go. There are 3 right there. We haven't even gone one whole building. There's another one. We're still in the same building. It used to be a bank, pawn shop. 3 more scooters right there. Wait a minute. We're gonna cross an alley. Another scooter. Okay, wait a minute. I know what you're thinking, but it's probably gonna be blocks and blocks before I can find another scooter. No, not gonna be blocks and blocks, but we're gonna go by the Drag nightclub. We're gonna go by a hair salon. Oh, another scooter. There we go. Key Alley. El Paseo Court. Optometrist. What's that? 2 more scooters. Okay. Do a little bit more. See what we find. We're coming up on Fuzz Bar and Grill. Another scooter. Okay, wait a minute. You're thinking, surely there won't be more. You're wrong. We're coming up on a store called Paper Airplane. I honestly don't know what it is. I think it might be a brew pub. Another scooter. Right there. This is an empty building. 3 scooters. Oh look, and somebody just passed us on a Lime S scooter. Let's see if there are any more on the block. Okay, it looks like we may have reached the end of the scooters. So here we are on the corner of First Street and San Fernando. We've gone 1 block and we've probably seen a dozen scooters. And it's like this all over downtown San Jose. Now what's particularly amazing about all these scooters is that we're right on the light rail line here. So, you know, if you didn't feel like walking, which apparently is what all the scooter riders feel, you could just get on the light rail. But no, San Jose is being taken over by scooters. I don't know how they pick them up every night and get them charged to make sure they don't get vandalized, but they're everywhere down here. Anyway, I thought you would be interested in what the scooter scene is like in downtown San Jose. Thanks, bye.